How to make money with Freepik. I'll be showing you how you can start making money with your pictures and selfies. Freepik is a website that persons go on to either make money or to find pictures that they can use on social media or any platform. But we'll be using Freepik to make money. So the first thing you want to do once you're on freepik.com, you're going to tap on Sell Your Content. And once you tap on that, you'll be led to this page right here. And the first thing that I would recommend you do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and check out the frequently asked questions. And you can see right here, what can I sell on Freepik? On Freepik, they embrace all types of creativity. You can sell quality photos, vectors, illustrations, mockups, and templates online once you become a Freepik contributor. And as you can see, how do I become a Freepik contributor? It's quick to sign up and register, and all you'll have to do is upload and send 10 resources, and you can start making money with Freepik. As you can see here, and how much do I earn? Contributors get paid for every download of their stock content. So once someone downloads your photo, you'll be getting paid. That's how Freepik works, and it's a very popular platform, as you can see right here. Over 50 million visits and 2 million downloads per day, and they have over 24,000 contributors. As I said, it's quite easy to sign up, and you can definitely sign up, and you don't even have to take pictures of yourself. You can take pictures of your surrounding and so on, and start making money with Freepik. So visit freepik.com, then tap on Become a Contributor, and you'll be led to this page right here where you can sign up with your email address, or you could choose Facebook to sign up, and that's it. And also another way how you can start making even more money with Freepik is by using their referral program. With their referral program, you will get a percentage of the money whenever you recommend someone and they sign up. As you can see here, Freepik referral program offers you the possibility to make some extra money for each friend you refer to sign up as a contributor in Freepik. You will find your personal referral link in your contributor panel. So not only can you make money by selling your photos, but you can also make money by referring friends and family members. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.